Yes, people, this is the man with the frog. Put it work, I'm going to take him up, let me see. You see, a frog, man. Yeah, yeah! No, that's it. That's it. I really frog in there so that I hold him. That's all that I hold him. Jesus, people.
I keep the water cool.
People, you see?
I look probably so, yeah?
People, you see? You see? Yo, dash it.
Water in them.
Yeah, man.
Go and wash.
Man with the frog, man, you see it?
Go and wash it.
You must sanitize here now, you see it? Yes. So we'll go with that feel. In the hand that.
Feel cold.
Cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first day I do it.
No, regular.
Regular. So why tactics? Why are the tactics?
Just take him up, simple.
Call him over
Nah,
the
dear
back.
man.
When you say when they take you up, you can't squeeze it. I feel just hold him in a cushion way.
Yeah. See,
So them things they are nothing to you.
regular.
Yeah. So you